So today I'm breaking down every section of your Airbnb listing that decides whether you get booked or quietly buried. There's one dominant problem causing most new listings to fail: hesitation. And it's happening inside specific parts of your listings: your photo, your title, your summary, and the small details that most hosts will skip. And y'all, you don't need better photos. You don't need to panic and start slashing your prices. In fact, lowering your price before fixing this usually makes it much worse. And I know what I'm sharing with you in this video works because we've hosted over 10,000 guests. We've audited over 100 listings in the past 12 months. And this pattern is consistent. When a listing creates hesitation, Airbnb shows it less. And in the next 10 minutes, I'll walk you section by section through the exact mistakes that kill bookings and how to fix each one. Let's fix it. And y'all, when most hosts hear this, they think they have a demand problem. They don't. They have a hesitation problem. And y'all, a guest click your listing and within seconds, something feels unclear, so they leave. And even though you don't see it, Airbnb does. That's because when a guest clicks and leaves without booking, Airbnb reduces how often it shows your listing. And that is when views drop, that is when inquiries drop, and that is when revenue starts to drop. And that invisible gap is what I call the hesitation wall. And if you're setting up your Airbnb right now, this is where most of the rookie mistakes will happen. So I created a free Airbnb setup checklist. It walks you room by room through the non-negotiables, the small things that guests expect but rarely will say out loud. It's simple, it's practical, and it helps you launch without guessing. It's linked below. Go and use it while we go through this. Now, let's remove hesitation and start with the first thing that your guests will see. And y'all, guests decide within the first 5 photos whether they trust your home. And if the photos feel random, the home feels random. Use this order instead: hero shot, living room, kitchen, primary bedroom, exterior. And a guest should be able to mentally walk your home by scrolling. And if they can't picture it, hesitation starts to form. And here's the quiet killer: ultra wide lenses. That is because rooms look bigger than they are, and when reality feels smaller, trust breaks. And that becomes a review. So let's fix the gap. So shoot naturally, show scale honestly, and make reality match the photo. Now, that fixes the click, but a click without clarity still doesn't produce a booking. And that's where we're going next: the title. And your title doesn't just attract guests, it filters them. And attracting the wrong guest is sometimes worse than attracting no one at all. And on mobile, guests will see about 30 characters. You will want to lead with your strongest amenity, then follow that up with the use case, then the location anchor. So not cozy, not beautiful. Here's the example you want to use: hot tub plus fence yard, 7 minutes to stadium. Clear, specific, filtered. And if your title is vague, your listing attracts uncertainty. And now we've improved the click, but Airbnb doesn't just award clicks, it rewards confidence after the click. So let's move to the section that decides whether guest keeps reading: the listing summary. And most summaries will start like this: welcome to our beautiful home. And go and delete that because most guests never tap show more. So your first 2 sentences matter most. And instead, sentence 1 should say, who is this home for and why is it valuable? And sentence 2 should show your strongest amenity plus location anchor. And if value is not immediately visible, guests are going to exit. And Airbnb is going to read that exit. Now, if guests are still reading, they're checking for one thing: uncertainty. And that shows up in the amenities section. So let's go there next. And guests will filter before they read. So if you're not in a filter, you're invisible. So if someone filters for self-check-in and you didn't check that box, you never appeared. That's not a conversion issue. That's a visibility issue. So go and open your amenities list tonight. If it exists, check it. Hairdryer, workspace, self-check-in, iron, pack and play. All right, so visibility compounds when you stop hiding from filters. And if you're building this the right way and want more breakdowns like this, subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And y'all, visibility is one thing, but reviews are another. And that is the next section that protects both. And most hosts will skip this, but that's a mistake. Guests don't punish problems, they punish negative surprises. Steep stairs, street noises, shared driveway. Instead, go ahead and disclose it, because if you hide it, you don't avoid the review, you delay it. So when guests arrive calibrated, rated. Your ratings will stay stable. When they arrive surprised, well, that is when your rating starts to drop. And when you get this right, you start to reduce some of the hesitation. But there's one more subtle leak that we can't ignore: your house rules. And y'all, your rules might be repelling your best guests. When rules sound threatening, high quality guests will leave silently. They're not going to argue with you. They're just going to choose another listing. And so rewrite your house rules in calm and clear language. Same boundary, less friction. Your rules should create clarity, not tension with your guests. All right, let's keep going to the neighborhood section of the listing. And y'all, don't do this. Don't say close to everything. Instead, say 7-minute walk to the farmer's market or 5-minute drive to the stadium. That is because the brain understands time, and specific framing reduces cancellations. So titles attract, photos confirm, summaries clarify, amenities help to increase visibility. Other details protects your reviews. Rules protects guest quality, and the neighborhood locks in relevance. And when hesitation disappears, conversion will rise. When conversion rise, Airbnb will test you more. When Airbnb tests you more, visibility starts to compound. But here's the part that most hosts will still miss. Even with a perfect listing, you could still waste your launch window because there's signal that Airbnb tracks in your first 72 hours on the platform that decide whether you land on page 1 or disappear on page 5. And I broke these down step by step in the next video. And go there next, because getting your listing right is only step 1. Getting the launch window right is what makes it compound. So I'll see you over there, because when you pair what you've learned in this video with that one, you're going to be ahead of 90% of the other hosts in your market. See you over there.